Meaning of Dorian Gray.
Dorian Gray.
Dorian Gray.
Dorian Gray.
Dorian Gray. Dorian Gray refers to the titular character in the novel The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. The story follows Dorian's descent into moral decay and corruption, as he remains eternally youthful while a portrait of him bears the physical marks of his sins. The phrase Dorian Gray is often used to describe someone who appears outwardly innocent or youthful, but harbors dark secrets or inner corruption. Ultimately, the novel serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of vanity and the consequences of living a life solely focused on pleasure and indulgence.